Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Today we are here for another unboxing, and this is probably the most exciting unboxing for me personally I've ever done, and that is the Animal Crossing New Horizons Edition Nintendo Switch, and also the carrying case that matches. I cannot believe that I have this in my hands right now. I didn't think I'd be able to get one, but thanks to people on eBay who resell pre-orders for prices that don't consist of an arm and a leg, I was able to get one. So I don't really want to wait anymore, so without further ado, I'm gonna start opening this up. I forgot to film this, but here's the back of the box for anyone who wanted to see. It's really cute. I also want to quickly mention that this is my first Nintendo Switch console I've ever owned, so if I get the terminology wrong on one of the pieces or the parts, or I look like I don't know what I'm doing when I'm handling it, that is why. So please don't come for me because I'm learning. Thanks. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Holy shit. Okay, I think we're gonna take the tablet part out first. So here's the tablet. I am gonna get some better shots of this with the back camera, but for now, here is, oh my gosh, the design is so adorable. Here are the teal and green Joy-Con controllers. How beautiful is that color? That is absolutely unreal. Then of course we have the parts for the Joy-Cons with the little straps. Those are really pretty too. They match each color of the Joy-Cons themselves. And last but not least, we have the dock. Oh, it smells good. It smells like plastic. So I'm not going to be pulling out any of the cords or anything because those are pretty standard and boring, and we're here to see the actual Switch. So let's go ahead and put it all together and see what it looks like. It's so awesome! Oh, I can't wait for Animal Crossing to come out. Just 2 more days, 2 more days. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and look at is the carrying case, and we might as well put it in the case while we have it open and see what that kind of looks like. This does come with a screen protector as well. I have never been good at putting on screen protectors on anything, so probably gonna have someone help me with that. But here it is. Has the Switch logo right over here, and on the back pretty much the same color scheme, just like kind of reversed. And then here it is open, and right here you have enough space to put 5 games and then whatever else you can fit in this little pouch here. Really nice, and I'm glad I was able to pick one of these up. I actually got this before my Switch even arrived because they were starting to run out of them, so I had a random GameStop hold it for me and I went on an adventure to go get it. So I believe it just goes right over here, and then this closes over it to sort of protect the screen, and you shut it over like this, and it just zips up. Alright, so that was everything that we had to look at today. We had the Animal Crossing Edition Switch and the carrying case. I still am in disbelief this is even here right now, so if you watch this, thank you so much for watching. Please share your hype for Animal Crossing New Horizons in the comments. I am so looking forward to seeing what everyone is saying and thinking and feeling, because we're getting so close and it's just, we're on the cusp. It's right around the corner, so I am so excited. Please share your excitement as well, and I will catch you in the next video pretty soon. When the game comes out, I am hoping to do my very own Let's Play series of the game, just for fun and just to try and tackle another kind of content that I've never personally done before. So that's really fun. I'm looking forward to everything. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time.